Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Wairabia mwenchumu ligereria chinsa inye ekeonga chinsa inye andonsi aso tubwaterete karibu sana elionkomanye ayagenda tugokorekana kurua chinsemo au nigo tukubwaterana ne timu ingima eliko ene kinganko ya nyorore asenchira yoboikiranu korusia use komenta konde wensi gotayo karatuko chaka limurioka ekeonga chinsa inye umusawo yomo oboda boda niga bakagusiria obugima bwaje elitukulia lero ase chinsemo cha Riverside magega yogotumwa negali asabande batigirwa chingoma chintindi ase mebere yabo ase bagendrete kurwanira amagimabo ase enyagitali roboti ruo nigoro barukwanigano no muliketo Depon Asanya oyukirana asayo na gutwarikaniria roboti ruo ase oime.
Samari yatangolo ku Geoffrey etato uboge MMCA Zero Board na nkuruka nanyora epiki yanyo accident muntu ya mukule yonde mu muromo abo atekiro kugoro nekira manyinga inko abandu bamindokera muri para uikamurigererie para ne abandu bechipigipigi bacha iru nabandu bechigali chine bagotumwa fyofyo abandu bechigali tema sana kuligererie se yabandu bechipigipigi mwandi ngora sibale abantu bechidipa nechi pass tafadhali so wanja kwenu respect ni mzuri sana
Linet mora kuruga Riverside iko twarara omumuro yomo iga tuomwane pikipiki okule tamanye kaneti oiruru enkendo gose musoje bosongo abantu raba baito tobe maisa karo mogotara para mobwati na machiko ali yare kurukorwe ruti ya musojo ekwerekea gochoyugisi bono ntoramanya gose yabwa tu ntoramanya seraro bwaro ntoramanya gose ya mutuma kurumaega na umubere ntuto ikera para
Omubunge o West Mugirango Musike Steve Mugaka nigo ritukuria rero aikirana aso muyiga gugochengira amachibo maya ase skuru ya secondary ya Gisiaga anene asa matemwa manene a KCSE omwaka oita asabaga kwene kimuna nigo skuru iyo yabeteke gokoribia na niga boroki wachiminya na 32 babete bakonyora grade kia ase bono bachiete ase chiskuru chingia no nabo omusiki Mugaka niga menta goteba buna inero enchirengia yokwene kibuna egurube ya baibuli ngochiere kubaenekeria aboroki wa school fees egento kirachikwirira chinga kichinyingi umoroki wa akobera ase skuru natari kobera nka kubwatikana no kuborwa agwe school fees omusiki Mugaka nigo baigarire yogochugwakana school fees ase aborokiwa ase skuru yo muriketo Fatgad Gesemba na robotiru asobime
Maiga yogokoria pia asa matemwa manene a KCSE omwaka oeta skuru ya secondary ya Gisiaga egotoka imeye ward ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirango nigorero batwaro muyiga bogochengera amachibu amaya ayo banyorete omuyiga boigo oikiranwa no mubunge Stephen Mugaka oyo oirachinga kecho na kubabwatokera chipasari cha masomo cyumwaka oyo na wasio ribene puna aboroki wa wetania chimia inye beskuru ejo nigo baguchakokonyeka ne pasari ejo.
And I want to thank you, my chief principal, because you are among those teachers who believed in me and took up my children, many of them without the fees. That is why today I have brought fees for 432 students of this great school called Gisiaga, soon becoming national. Hawa ni watoto wamenufaika na msaada wa West Mugirango constituency bursary. The schedule or the names of my 432 students. Hawa mimi unaomba waambie basa awapoe receipt. Kila mtoto akuwe na receipt ya kuonyesha pesa yake imelipwa.
Omo MCA okemera oyo na indoro mokonyi bo monogeri webunge ya Nyamira omusike James Matinga nigo ensemo yaye aira chinga kecho na kuboria abarimu tibako babango asoko batuma abana chinga chabo wetera asoko borwa we school fees korende bariye chinchira chingao chogo sonsora omuchando oyo.
Fuateni mzazi lakini mwanafunzi akae kwa shule. Tabia ya wanafunzi kutapakaa kwa barabara eti wanaenda kutafuta karo, hilo ni jambo ambalo tunataka kulikemea kuanzia wakati huu. Na matuka ya lero ense ya sare kiraba ibuli na eta wanje omwana wanye gwetaiga abana mbarenga tuigwete abaiseke basirere njira omwana agotara kurwa atebinga tigagwe lift ne pigipigi ogenda oborera nigosebo.
Aiga boigo nigo aba MCA abuo baira chinga kecho na kubasegeta aboroki wabonsi kogenderera kubeka omokia ase amasoma abo erio kera oyomo aikiranie endoto yaye.
Niko na furaha kadri kwamba katika chimbo letu la Busamaro Gisiaga Secondary School ikiwa one of the 14 secondary schools we have in this ward did very well in the last examination. May God.
A mixed school, when you see them very serious like this, discipline the people roja banyaroka baikaranzireta ari baroje ngabamba muraba mwabo kona gocho kana care is really nothing of that sort. And because of that discipline I've seen here, that is what is making you do better. Omosikika kande national school arte biko chigocha bosa omochumba na babo saba again they can normally get biyanga 8.5 plus ikikianda totimbokyo momoro yo midomi gosyo gamba abeko koboka turukwe national school yo.
Nonye nabo nigo musike Stephen Mugaka asingirira buna ere kiabegete bosyo no kwene kiabuna kera omworoki wa nkonyorare obosibore bwaye ase SME.
The MP is here, who is very passionate. Our member of parliament
Honorable Steve Mogaka is one of the few members of the National Assembly who are very passionate on matters education.
I have a case, and this one I'm following it up. There is an idiot, and I will use the word idiot, who has slapped a candidate during examination time. Omondo wako mwana wo montoro ekerao paramate. Yeah, and I'm saying this one, we are not laughing at each other. Every child in this republic needs protection.
Kingo reporter Gatembe Koroigase County ya Nyamira Fatgad Gisemba.
Biamano Fatgad ase orobotiru na enchre ya meyugu kinia ebiewa meye bunge ya Kitutu Masabe County ya Nyamira ekiombe kiabangina anene bali bawaka omupira bwa maguru nigo litukulia lero kyanyura ogosirwa no mwana siasa Clive Ogura kurwa asensemeyo okwana chinga kechu ni Ogura amenta goteba buna chigosori chabangina nigo chibwate obuyobonge asebyewa no nyina se afya yabo na igo okogani nkoraroro ogokubeka ebyegwebu ase omustari obosyo Daniel Ontiri na roboturu asobwikirano.
Jumaine yaye nigo yachaka na kumira egikundi kiga kyabangina abaki mupira egiata kurwa sensemo yesaba ikigotoka manga asibunge ya Kitutu Masaba abamwarigania no mogoko no buya bwogokonyeka n'imipira irache kubakonya asokuburugira ebyegu byabo nichinga kicho barokia omogokobo
aigogo twachira segetunweke no tokonyora tokoegera igoro yo mupira oyo twachite munabangina elinde asengenja abangine mebere yabeire mebe okonyora kero mongina gotega timbu atia magoro timbu atio ngwati bugochiana gochia ekagera kerengerere gieko mokungo yesa gate abangina tiga tochamo tosoego korego sori yo mupira elinde nalie mebere anyare ko bagekuguswa koruto chaka go chaga igetoroche ngarero mongina tayo goteba ngana igwete bobo oyochire asege saisi ekeiga
bono gotwa motetinga emipira ya tokeire no yo moto kuna guchandika rero igotorete ire pam otorete ire mipira 4 bona bangina ngakimo goteba mipira ya chirene epambu nero kire bunaisa ino staisaini
asense mwende Ogura nigo akwanira sababu enene yigetambukireke nechinga kecho okwanira magendero ase Kitutu Masaba
inchekere na egene tenga bangina be miakeye mbare kwa kabaro mupira kine kana achira na nyore ngamba bwate team ya bengi sana bagwako mupira egere banyago ke pressure diabetes na core exercise na gokiru sana inchebuno Ogura na achira na seedlings cha passion fruits na achire koba egere baenda basimeke chinya koba konya unekemeri alika
asensemo ya siasa Ogura nigo hagikeri gati ya barai abwateba bareire asemirimo oteba chingaki cheikire bono report card ya barai era chikurigiririgwa
nenchenko basabanga ikifika 2027 mwangari bagari abene nenchemba korere gasi buno mujumbo ino amangana na mange mbangete nenche nabona atakuba konya mono lakini for now onko basabanga mumbu atese monsire munyago nsabera siasa ni bwata mangana mange yongo basabanga munyago nsabera taribo mombe ka sama sabo egerenge ndere kunyago sugume gasie uchimutuga iga siasa to chokara uchimutu ati bwati matusi andons kero montago chagocha abakwanere abatebya gocha kubakorera uri oregeti atebintakorire abatugo chugocha bono tobate to chagarake to chukubakorera scorecard ya etoke
ase kirengekyo magayo muske Ogura nigasigeta aborokigwa ase skuru ya St Paul's Manga igoro ya masomo wigo bwatoka obokonyi w'emipira ase gikundi cy'umupira bwa maguru ase aborokigwa be skuru iyo nkuru batereka taseni kya Gatembe korega ase county ya Nyamira ilitrene nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Biamano omurikitu Daniel Ontiri ase orobotiuru serikali ya county ya Nyamira nigo irachikobeko mukya ilikoene kibuna ngogenderere gusira masomo imeye county eyo aya nkubwatekana no kwagachwa kwebirasi emeronge bire bya ECDE imeye county ya Nyamira ilikoene kya ngosira eri amasomo asenchira yoboikeranu imeye county eyo ya Nyamira. Aya nigabere gakoenekiwa amo n'omuwaziri w'ekisemi imeye county eyo omusubatizi Pora oyoba kagoteba buna nigo kisemi kigenderete koleta obumu bwigo kisemi nigo kigenderete gusegetwa ase chinsemo au erikonekibuna aborokiwa nkonyara bari kwegendereria amo na masomo abononya nabo nigo balireira yogochukubate serikali ya county ya Nyamira erikonekia ngoikiranira amagenderero ase ensemeyo muri kwito Fatgad Kisemba na roboti ruo asobwime.
Buna enchira eyemo yokwenekia aborokiwa ba ECD peskuru yoboroso ya Kiabira ELCK ingosomera bare ebirasi ebiya nigo ritkoria rero bare nomogoko maiga yokoigorerwa ebirasi bibire ebyo byagachirwe na serikali ye county ya Nyamira.
Iga Kiabira etwachire koigore class ebilasi ebyo ebire bibere PP1 na PP2 igo churu mwechi na bachire ibere nebiro wombiro nechimesa nabe wonto bwate etangi ya 5000 liters nechi cho echo ebwate milangu etatu abana bamura babwate oyobo abaisike mbabwate oyobo nabo igo abari babo ne class yeke ya mwisikolgereria nkibwate mesa ne kerogo aso mwalimu awe karansa nechi drone chirororo ase abana bakobeka ebitabu byabo sibakubacha ebintu byabo nonyene n'endagere yabekero bakonywa
nonye nabo nigo omworokio monene bweskuru eyeiga eyegotoka imeye ward ya Bomwagamo ebunge ya North Mukirango akwanira emechando eyo aborokiwa ba ECD babeire bawetera abwo maiga
mwatwete klasi kya ECT ekitutabwata amatuka abeire amange guchimaiga ntuabwate otatiki arengororo nkiabwata bokongu bwaye ekagera mukarente kikia maega mwacha koronchi rero bono kurwa gwetera maega ekero na chite maega gaiga rona nyoreta abana baitu ba ECT obarenge ebirasi bitatu barengo sange klasi ekemo rona chang nkanyorera bokongu mboro nkabage klasi ekemo gekaba bitatu egera abana baisaransebo once ntobwate ata challenges echichira ase skuru yeito chigerete omwana tobwata abana barabake gwetera abakongwa bwata ase kinyo ekenyoro ekemo abana baito obakogenda rocha sata atambe
kubwatikana naya nigomo MCA we ward eyo omuske Julius Nyangana aira chinga kechi na kubaenekeria buna ere ekerenga kyaye kenene nokubarwanirira banyore amagenderero ayo bamochorerete
twandi roba ekerasi eke wocha simule buna county government twabande roba namba ya kabere abantu baminto bakyabira inu abanyere mwenkaransitie mugantebye nga ntanga nakorente kerasi ga the second point mugantebye ndeta manje na akorire kerasi yambwatieki amanje ebi amangana ale Nyamira gali ebyo mana abali bakunya kuoma tikabomane nje ne birasi byananga tukogora ande ye chipara na ale mechi kilomita 39 chitaraja ngorande barobwa abantu bale Nyamira tikabandire ebyo mana tikabirasi byabo byendere gotiringeka
ensemo yende nigo abaibori babana bwo barurekana kogokera omoroberio bwe county ya Nyamira yokubabwatokera eronkori
elinde lya kabere mbyamona senge cyabana baitongo nyoro bale eronkori rero banywa abarabumbyamona egakora chinga chinyinge ntobwati no eronkori chinga chinyinge ncharagero byamona senge cyarigere lya karanga eronkori na babana bakonyora baikeranga bona ke banyora eronkori eria na bakonyora bale chinguru none kero bago travel go chinga banyamba bwate chinguru bago ikeranga eronkori era gwero na bana baitu bachakiro komensura kaki debiga bano minto tikagenda recommend omasomo yo eronkori atomente nechengo eto mongina nasiba
inkolpotera getembe koraiga skuru yoboroso ya Kiabira ELCK eyegotoka ime ya ward ya Bomwagamo ebunge ya North Mukirango county ya Nyamira Fatgad Kisemba.
Mwanchomo rigiriria ekeroto gutigana nayu mu director o Kenya Dairy Board Musubati Josephine Omanwa nigo litukulia lero abwatoko bokonyi ase parish ya St Athanasius Kiendege imeye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba igati yabo amabere ebitabu obokonyi burachi gokonya ase birengo bya masomo asaboro kiwa beskuru inse yekarisiekyo ukona chinga kecho Omanwa nigo boigo abagakogokera igetambukero gye serikali cyo gusira amasomo ase chiskuru elio ubachagwe konya asa matuko alibosyo Murikito Daniel Onteri na roboturu asowekirano
asira haliete yokogendera gusire kirisikiga omwelio bumwako eta mapema lero Josephine Omanwa nigasire masomo ase skuriga inse ye parish ya Kiendege ni bitabu na mabere ni chinga kicho okwanere kirenga kya yekenene
na ijaga iga nga ndeta mabera sabana lakini naranga bangina baminto na baruko balenge iga asengencho yokurandigwa lituko lya lero babwata mangana bangina na baruto baletera mabere aitu abaire banyako babanywe nali bara iwo biya wa mabere batuwe chomba so bonge roche obale mibwaito bwairanirense asamangana maripo
ukwana chinga kecho niko bwego agokera umuroberio we serikali wokoena na mabere asaborkiwa na muno abe myake meke muroberio chagetigwe kurase nyumba y'Uburai ya State House.
Tumepeana maziwa kwa watoto 400, tumepeana maziwa kwa wamama na wamefurahi sana. Wakasema hii programu ya maziwa iendelee. Kama county government itakubali, ianzishe programu ya maziwa kila shule ili watoto wetu wao wakipata maziwa wakunywe. Maziwa ni yavi kwa mwili ya watoto wetu.
Asense mwende abegenwa bekelisikiga na bamenyi niko borokia omogokobo nakulira yoko mubwate siago cha samatuka lebosyo
omongineta yoko kuchosibini murao mano omokungu to itabire omokungu oyo gatororekanire tukulia lero to ile bitabu asabana bete skuru ito ya chaka emission school naenda orre biti bisaini naenda otomendira mabere omongina kero omongina mabere oyo chare yatonyale twanyalira mabere twasibire omokungu oyo bunare yetaye gotoroche ngane erochire uragwenie kenyoro gya Kiendege etaye itekore erabe
atotebiria to chinkoko maige gitine kigare
magega ya Jomosko Manwa nigagendereria umuroberio angabonoiga ase skuru y'Uboroso yegene itambe yegotoka ase ward ya Bosamaro imeye bonge ya West Mugirango imeye county ya Nyamira n'urwa mabere asaborokiwa elio koba omoyo boigo kobasegeta asa masomo Ngurubo teregeta seni kya gatembe kurega se county ya Nyamira leterane nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri
Mwanchumu ligiriria oroboti urwe Daniel Ontiri na rogotoira aso mutimoko asensamentangani yeke unga chinsa inya kulende asiki kagetari getambe nkwira na tuli elio ngandere gukomanya tobasa guskare
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga anniversary na yenda mangamna wono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting carpet na sound batarere ase Koroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba Christmas number 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
ine nuganeti konyora jisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocational College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January yuagenderete nigo bakuru achikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Somebody tango kwa Jackson omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase skulu ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase a college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as Nyaliwari Masaba constituency, a ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu, abanafunzi ndobuate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekorama itenga abayibuli baito gotwara baro bwaba ase ngenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips ejie kuba funding kurua se serikali pamoja na funding kurua se High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asogorora na kutabukia kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskiri ekira abakonye isikali nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Karibu sana umwanchumu ligereria asensemo ya Kabere yekiunga chinsa inye umuliki ase kiamagia ODM oyubaigoro maseneta bwe county ya Nairobi umusike Edwin Sifuna nigo litukulia lero abagago selwa gose abagakuruswa ase ekiamagia ODM buna umuliki bene ase ekiamekyo gukwana kurwa ase county ya Mombasa ababwatani au ase ekiamekyo nigo baba bakumwaka siko Edwin Sifuna koba umuliki gose gotaba umuliki ase ekiamekyo asekeli batebire buna no kogenda mamincha na machiko anene ase kiamagia ODM.
The NEC further called upon all relevant stakeholders and parties to urgently address the impediments that have slowed progress and to demonstrate goodwill in ensuring the full and faithful implementation of agreed reforms. With this regard, the NEC mandated the Leader of Minority, Honorable Junet Mohammed, to institute mechanisms to ensure the proposed allocation of 450 billion Kenya shillings to counties is made mandatory in the supplementary budget. 3. Compensation for victims of human rights violations, autonomy and strategic direction of ODM. The NEC resolved to initiate the formal process of withdrawal from the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition in accordance with the applicable legal and constitutional provisions. 5. National Delegates Convention. The NEC resolved to convene a National Delegates Convention, NDC, in Nairobi on 27th March 2026. The NDC shall, among other agenda items, deliberate on the party's strategic direction, ratify key decisions of the party organs, and prepare ODM for the forthcoming general elections. 6. Party discipline and leadership. The NEC expressed grave concern over the rising levels of indiscipline within the party, particularly at the senior leadership level. The committee underscored that ODM is governed by its constitution, the rule of law, and collective decision-making through its duly constituted organs. Having deliberated on matters relating to the conduct of the Secretary General, Senator Edwin Sifuna, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect in accordance with the party constitution and applicable laws. Effectively, the Deputy Secretary General, Honorable me, yours truly, Catherine Omanyo, will act in this position until a substantive holder of the position is elected. The NEC reaffirmed ODM's commitment to democratic governance, constitutionalism, social justice, and the pursuit for a broad-based, inclusive, and reform-oriented government that reflects the will and aspirations of the Kenyan people.
Naboigo umuraibu kiama gia ODM Daktari Oburu Oginga nigabirika gukwanira igoro yobo mu kiama gia ODM na goteba na jikobe kumukia buna umurai eriko ene kibuna nkobwati balechi mbaratero chenya gusira Raila Odinga gukwana kurwa ase county ya Mombasa litikulia rero nigatebire buna na jikobwaterana na barai bonsi eriko ene kibuna obwomo bwekiama ekyo ngochibole ko ene kiwa boigo nigabirika goteba buna ekiama gia ODM nigokira chigotigara imeye serikali buna nyagusira Raila abeteka gugetiga buna enchere yemo yokwenekia nkubwatira na bali ne serikali asokoleta magendero imeyense ya Kenya.
I will try my best. I will work with all of you and we shall try our best to move on and promote our party from strength to strength. Our party must keep on growing from strength to strength and we are not going to go back. I also want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for having done this immediately after the loss of our great party leader, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. That was my brother, that was my friend, that was my comrade, that was my confidant, and I still don't even feel that he is not there. I feel so hurt, but all the same, we have to continue, life must continue, and in his honor, I will do my best until I go to the grave. I would also like to mention that when our departed leader left us, he left us in somewhere. He did not leave us in the air. He left us on some ground. And this ground where he left us was called broad-based government. And in this broad-based government, we have our partners who are older. Those are our partners with whom he left us. And we are continuing to plow and work hard to fulfill the commitments and the arrangements which brought us together. And one of them is implementation of the 10-point agenda, which we must follow meticulously and make sure that they are implemented to the letter as agreed. This is one of the things we agreed, but as a party, we have also agreed in the previous Central Committee.
Mwanchomo ligereria nara yikorwa seke unga chinsa inye asobo tukubwarero ngwa kirembia mono ya bene asengencho yuwancha gotengera Getembe TV aseke unga chinsa inye kendero twara obuligeri borobya na bigo tware obutukoborobya ekeronande torachikomera na halitkulia ankyo ilitogendere gusanga mange tobwatiranere Wilson Makori kurugala sensemo yebimanyerero Wilfred Matundra kurugala sensemo yechikamera na yoro kwenekia elioginechi bicha bya gwikire nigakuru ku Mike Wills nchoni gonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo remembe, ninjo dorome, manana mati, bangina ninjo.
Umurushia tabana ki ayatata babonda nayo ndireti uchiche tongeri mache cyara sirondonga tata none noriye mwana uri ndireti umuntu mwakori cyara sirondonga nchiyo tongeri mache into kiyakire cyara kire kigetige togo gikera ondonga ngare uchiche tongeri aya kemenyi nayo maetereza no menye ukamenya tongeri mache tata bono rindi nkiriya bwa bono remereria kire toto bono remereria kabeno bore mugete kabno nto kiriyo taraikera ayetwara bore mugete bakachinga kisha uchiche tongeri mache cyara sirondonga tata remereria into byango agenda ngora uchiche tongeri mache
Baraka ninjo, ninjo remembe, ninjo
ine nuganeti konyora gisemi echingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January eyugenderete nigo bakuru achikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Samalieta ngoro kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase skuru ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as a Nyaliwadi Masaba constituency, a ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu, abanafunzi ndobuate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekorama itenga abayibuli baito gotwara baro bwaba ase ngenjo ya school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tole kubaijuleria kusips ejie kuba funding kurua se serikali pamoja na funding kurua se High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukia kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaya baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskiri ekira abakonye isikalia nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.